Thank you. You see, those were the dreams of a child. They were my dreams. I never wanted to grow up. I never wanted anybody to tell me that my dreams were impossible or that it couldn't happen. You know what else I learned? It's not the size of the stage. It's what you do with it. Those are the dreams of a child. Anything is possible. You see Tara up there? Give her a nice hand as she leaves.
The earliest references for vertical flight came from China. Since 400 BC, Chinese children have played with bamboo flying toys. While the Chinese top was no more than a toy, it is perhaps the first tangible device of what we may understand today as being a helicopter. It was not until the early 1480s when Leonardo da Vinci created a design for a machine that could be described as an aerial screw. This was the first recorded advancement made pertaining to vertical flight. In 1792, Sir George Cayley, a British inventor, began experimenting with the helicopter toys, which he later called elevating flyers. Though only still a toy, the elevating flyer was the direct ancestor of the helicopter rotor. The word helicopter is adapted from the French language hélicoptère, coined by Gustave de Aumaucourt in 1861. Alphonse Pénaud, a French pioneer of aviation design, would later develop coaxial rotor helicopter toys in 1870. One of these toys, given as a gift by their father, would inspire the Wright brothers to pursue the dream of flight. In 1906, two French brothers, Jacques and Louis Breguet, began experimenting with airfoils for helicopters. And in 1907, their machine lifted its pilot into the air for about 2 feet for about 1 minute. Though initial attempts to fly vertically were quite dangerous, or simply hilarious, today's helicopters are magnificent flying machines. In celebration of the naming of the helicopter in 1861 by Gustave de Aumaucourt, we have decided to dress for the occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the stage, my amazing cast.
Wow. First, I made a helicopter appear. Now, one person will join me and experience the ride of your life. I want to make this fair as you walked in through the doors. Maybe you came in all by yourself, or as a family, or as a group. You came in with your tickets. Your names are printed on every single ticket. If this person would please stand. It is Jill Randolph, I believe. Jill, stand please. Give her a nice hand, encourage her. Let's get her on stage. That way. Thank you so much, I appreciate this. Walk down the steps and follow Tara. Thank you. See, we're gonna lead Jill right up to the helicopter. And then, we're gonna place her inside the helicopter. And she's gonna realize quickly that helicopter's real. That's the greatest new single-person turbo helicopter today. It is an amazing machine. Give us just a moment. Close the box. Ladies, don't close the sides just yet. Hey, Jill, are you claustrophobic? Not at all? Not even a little bit? Oh, that's a good thing. You see, we're gonna send Jill priority mail to a place unknown by the simple touch of a button. First, we dress her for the occasion. Now, there's just a few things that we need to prepare ourselves before we take flight. First of all, we got goggles. I want you to place them over your head, not over your eyes, just your head. Thank you. Ladies, close the box. Gloves in preparation for flight. Thank you. Almost there. And then, Jill, I'm gonna say to you, hit the button. You'll reach forward and hit this button there. Yes, do not touch it yet. You all right? Good. See my hand? Slide your hand now through the box. Slide it through. Perfect. Give her a nice hand, encourage her just a bit. All right. Jill, wave to the audience. Jill, wave to the audience. Jill, how you doing so far? Jill, listen, you gotta put your thumbs up. That's how we start. Thumbs up. Now listen, leave your hand right there, but relax your hand. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, I am aware that this helicopter does not actually fit inside the box, and it makes it extremely difficult to send it flat rate. However, Jill, when I say hit the button, pull your hand in and hit it. You got it? Jill. Ah. Thank you. I'm ready. Okay, this is gonna be good. Jill, hit the button on the count of 3. 1, 2. No way, open it. Tara, she hit it way too soon. You check that cell over there. Come on, let's hear it for my amazing cast. Thank you, well done. Well done. Perfect. Who came with Jill? Sir?